Hey, boys.
Hi.
Hi. Are y'all kicking? Kick your feet. Kick your feet.
Way better than Fortenberries, huh?
Yeah. Fortenberries are great.
Y'all are silly.
Oh, that was a sweet face. That guy's come in and out of that house.
Cackling, huh?
Come on me, dude!
Hopefully they're best friends when they grow up, huh?
Yeah, they will be.
I hope so.
Because they're both the same.
They both got crazy mama.
They both.
I have a lot of people like that. I'll be able to talk it through, yeah?
Jude, don't get in, love. Stay right there. Don't move.
Hey, Scott, I might try that